Welcome to Ashton's Crunchy Kitchen. Today we're going to be cooking a chicken that I caught off of my mom's farm. I don't know if y'all remember, but a lot of people commented on the Spot chicken that they wanted to see me chase around the chicken and catch it. This is my mom. I came to her farm today, and this is my Nana. She's going to be helping me cook too. And we went and we saw tons of cows, some big cows, some baby cows, and we saw some turkeys and pheasants and chickens, and your girl right here, I caught one. Let's check it out. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to catch one of these.
Well, I'll let me pull one and pick your big one. Don't catch the little bitty one. See, that's a pheasant. Get that little red one. That red one.
Mama can't get...
Grab it high.
I got him. Look at the chicken. It's gonna be dinner tonight. All right, guys, I got a beautiful chicken here. It's one of their younger chickens, so it should be pretty tender and nice. We're also gonna get a more mature chicken. I don't know if I'll be able to catch that one though. We'll see. Say hey. Bark, bark. I'm just waiting for it to peck me in the face. Thank you, Earth. Thank you, God. Thank you, chicken.
But get one of them whiter, more yellow ones. There you go, there you go. Hold her teeth. Hold her teeth.
All right, my heart is going 90 to nothing, but we're gonna process these and we'll meet you back in the kitchen. Let's go. So I'm gonna be cooking a homemade mac and cheese today. I'm gonna let my mother take care of the chicken. She cooks a really good spatchcock chicken. And then I'm gonna have my Nana cook some green beans for us. These are farm fresh green beans, and I'm just gonna get her to snap them. She's gonna saute some Kaneka sausage, and we're going to blanch the green beans in with the sauteed Kaneka sausage. Let's get started.
Taking the ends off of the green beans, and then I either leave them about that length or a little shorter, and then I'll rinse them off after I get them all snapped. Then we'll cook them.
All right, now I'm just gonna mash up some butter that's been coming to room temperature, and I'm gonna rub it all over my bird that we caught on the farm.
First, you want to cook your pasta. While my pasta is cooking, I'm gonna shred some cheese. So we want a pound of mozzarella, a pound of Colby Jack, and 8 ounces of peppercorn cheddar.
Now that I've buttered the chicken, I just leave little pats of butter laying on top of the chicken. It's gonna melt and cook down. I'll wash my hands so I can put seasoning on. I'm gonna use the Celtic salt that we like to keep in the kitchen. It's a little bit healthier than regular salt. I'm gonna add some Kaneka. It's a pork, poultry, and wild game seasoning. Just basically has salt and spices, garlic powder, things of that nature. I'm gonna follow with pepper, because we do know that Ashton loves pepper very much. All right, now that the birdie is good and rubbed rubbed with butter and seasonings. We're gonna put it in the oven at 350, probably for about 30 minutes.
Now I'm gonna mix my spices together. You want some salt, some pepper, smoked paprika, and garlic. We're just gonna mix those around. So we're gonna put 3 tablespoons of butter into our pan. You want half of your spices. We want 3 tablespoons of flour. Now we need 1 can of evaporated milk. Now I need 2 cups of heavy cream. Add in the rest of your seasonings. Now you need a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Dijon, however you say it. Now you want to add in half of your cheese. The peppercorn cheese in here is actually from my White Oak pasture video. Go check it out. I posted it just the other day. We're gonna add our noodles into our cheese sauce. So now I'm going to layer the mac and cheese. First I'm gonna put a layer of the noodles in the cheese sauce into a baking dish. Now I'm gonna put a generous amount of cheese on top. And now I'm gonna add another layer of noodles. And now we're gonna put the rest of the cheese on top. Now we're gonna pop this in the oven at 375 for about 20 to 25 minutes.
Oh, that's beautiful. Gorgeous.
This looks so good. You hear that? I broiled the top of the cheese. We have our chicken done, but we have to let it rest, and then we'll plate everything. All right, let's plate this dish. Okay, we have this meal plated, so now it's time to try it. Let's try the chicken first. It's pretty tasty. Not the most tender though. Maybe I scared it a little when I was catching it. Okay, now let's try the green beans. Those are good.
Very good.
Good job, Nana.
Good job, Nana.
And now let's try the mac and cheese.
That's the best.
Oh yeah, that was good. That's some good mac and cheese.
I love that big noodle too. Give me another noodle. There we go.
Yeah. Good.
That's a thumbs up from me.
And me.
And me.
If you like the content you saw today, give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know what you want to see more of. Until next time. Okay. My heart's going 90 to nothing. What do I do?